Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly fascinating to share with you. Did you know that over 70% of relationships end in a breakup or lost love? It's a shocking statistic that highlights the challenges many of us face in our love lives. Now, let me introduce you to love specialist Amarrnath Gurujii, the best tantric in Kolkata, known for his exceptional skills in reuniting people with their lost love. His reputation precedes him, and today, we will delve into how he works his magic. Relationships can be tough, right? We've all been there: heartbreak, lost love, or just struggling with relationship issues. It's a common experience that many of us can relate to. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome these challenges and get back the love you thought was lost forever? Enter Tantra, the ancient practice that Gurujii specializes in. With his unique approach, he helps people navigate the complexities of relationships and guides them towards rekindling the flame with their ex-partners. It's truly remarkable how his methods have brought countless couples back together. Now, let me share a heartwarming success story with you. A client who was on the brink of giving up on love sought Gurujii's help. Through his guidance and expertise, this individual not only reunited with their ex but also found a deeper connection than ever before. It's stories like these that showcase the true power of Gurujii's abilities. In conclusion, consulting with love specialist Amarrnath Gurujii can be a game changer for anyone facing relationship issues or seeking to reignite the passion in their love life. His proven track record and genuine care for his clients set him apart as the go-to expert for matters of the heart. Before we wrap up, remember to reach out to Gurujii for a consultation if you're facing similar challenges in your relationship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful love and relationship advice videos. Together, we can all find our path to love and happiness.